Pomun Semana Yankong Monsieur Ensemo. Principal our Kikam Technical Institute here no Wallembele Mensino Emo Ewo Atoye Mantem Mono or say or how about come woman a hundred dozen as a casepa a year in Kunya Yadishia Fortuna so issue the hard drain parasadi one more tata so which is Sadin Tene was ramping for a cabi woman say was Strada can't the end of the Muya Dosso so in Kunya Roman Emra and Winemuya.
Kikam Technical Institute, Eka Technical School Sahodwa, what's the amount for bebre, a woman, say, adesua for bebro, and pimiu, and na esia dear ewu school honomo. Near maybe adesua for sia ewu school honomo area, motor vehicle engineering, welding, fabrication, and any amafufrobia eka. Nanso, and found adesua for bebre egu school honomo. One any a dine to do an essenti. Aya kwensidie ama wonum ewu school honomo. Emmanuel Bright no ma principal a woda school ya no. Na wonum eda school no emfie eduosia afinhia na no adie no. En wo kire ahokyire bia wonam mu ewu school honomo.
We wish to welcome all who will want to come to the aid of the institute in any of the following areas of need. Classroom furniture currently is the most critical need of the school. And we will use this opportunity to ask for help from the government and all other stakeholders that matters. We used to have classroom as a challenge, but we've been able to maneuver to make it a thing of the past. For classrooms, we have managed and we've provided some. But for the furniture, it's a serious issue, so we are using this medium to plead with the stakeholders present and those who hear us to come to our aid.
Atoye Mantem Suafo kwabena ochireda komensa kasa wo dwumadie na se no ene wadi tudwa se wade nkunya any table se wa bedom wonum se de be ya ahokyire bia wonum enam mu no ohu ebetumi esan won.
Currently as we speak, Africa is the youngest continent in the world. And we need you to have skills to be able to survive in this modern 21st century. We believe that when young people have skills, technical skills in particular, they should be able to invest anywhere, participate anywhere, and be rich anywhere. I also want to admonish you that the number of youth in this country far exceeds the jobs available in the system. But we also do believe that if you want to become rich, you have to work for yourself.